I started by cutting my socks into half. I used a total of 4 socks for the top parts. Then I opened up the socks by just cutting it in half again. Then using my pins, I pinned together the socks. So what I did is I pinned them in pairs. So 1 pair there, 1 pair there, because it was easier for me when it came to sewing. Using a zigzag stitch, you want to sew those pieces together. You should have something like this, then sew in the middle to join the pieces together. Once it's all joined up, fold over the socks and sew the end parts together. You should have something like this. Then I added straps to mine because I didn't want my top to fall. This is how I did it. I decided to cut up some more socks and I separated them into 2 using the same technique that we used beforehand, but this time you want to split it into half. Once that's done, just roll that over. So where the stretchy part is of the sock, you want to undo that so that we have more fabric to use. Then you want to connect your pieces together like this and sew in the middle. Then attach the straps to the top, and that's literally how I made this top, guys. It's very easy.